Well, I guess it's just an urban legend. You watch it, and as soon as it's over, your phone rings, and a creepy voice says, "You're gonna die in 7 days." And 7 days later,
When did you watch it?
a week ago. A week ago tonight.
Brenda.